This is Abhinandan on 21st September 2025 at Lima, Peru. This is Abhinandan here. Okay, it's already 2:30. I thought by 2 p.m. at least I should be at the Hindu temple, okay, at Miraflores. But there was a procession at San Miguel and it got delayed to pick that van. Some vans come here, okay, like you have in Philippines, Manila jeepney or something they call. Like that van comes, they are more reasonable than a taxi, than a Uber. So I picked it, but it drops little far, and so that's okay. I like walking. I'm just going over there to meet people and probably to pay some 100 sol, about 2,500 rupees, after asking about the Navaratri celebration which they have on September 27th, 2025. So yesterday I went to Satya Sai Baba Bhajan. I met a very interesting person, okay, who had visited India. I forgot his, I think Alex his name is. Okay, this is Inca Palace. I've been over here, Inca Plaza, handicraft place. Now the weather is little good from September 20th. September 19th I went to the Centro Historico. Now yesterday I met the person who's visited Rishikesh. Okay, this is the computer palace. I have to visit once, like you have in Medellin. You have Monserrata Plaza, and in Delhi you have Lajpat Nagar or somewhere. So I thought, let me make a recording. Abhinandan here once again. Okay. You know why I show my face? Is because there are some skeptical fools in India. You know, they can't tolerate when I sent a video in 2016. I'm walking in Times Square, New York, Times Square, walking and making a business intro video. One tour operator from Chennai, okay, he says, what is that? I'm using screen. I am in somewhere in Bangalore. I'm using a screen of New York, he's saying. I like that characters are there. Anyhow, I'm not going to convince anyone. I'm not bothered. But see the beauty. See, that side one road is here, this side one road is there, and in the center there's a sitting place here. And you know what? You can walk. I've seen, you know, this is in Miraflores. See, people sit like that. There's a cycling path there, so I'm walking in the center. That side is the cycling. And I'm just going to meet 1 or 2 people over there. Okay. And ask whether it is worth it to pay 100 sol or 2,000, around 2,500 rupees for a Navaratri celebration event on 27th. I plan to be here till October, September 30th, and then I want to go to Machu Picchu, Cusco. So those of you who are watching this and you want to know how to earn, see, right now in the van also I met an engineering student, industrial engineering student. We gave number, exchange numbers, I sent him the videos and he told he's going to watch it. And so those who are business mentality, not wage slave mentality, not cyber coolie mentality, not a mentality who's always looking for job and security. But even if you're looking for a job, you have to be like Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy of Infosys. What did Narayan Murthy of Infosys do? He did a very smart thing. You know what did he do? While he was working in a company called Patni Computers, if I'm correct. Why are people waiting? You can cross. I'll use my common sense. Okay, anyhow. While it's a Sunday, so there will be less people. This is the heart of Miraflores. That is where is the park. What park you have? That Kennedy Park over there. I'm talking very loudly so the voice will be recorded nicely. I can go like this also on this main road, or I can, that is Miraflores Park. Let me go. Okay, let them go off. And there's a theater there, So this is the heart of Miraflores, I think. So those of you, I made a lot of videos, you can check it on my Facebook page. So there are always some skeptical people, cynical people. Since they cannot tolerate that Abhinandan keeps traveling. Okay, I was there in USA for 6 months. I was there in Miami for the first time for 3 months. Okay, from November 21st to February 25th, 2025. From November 21st, 2024 till 25th February 2025, that is called Miraflores, that is Park Kennedy. I was there in New York, and then I came to Colombia. I was there in 6 months in Colombia. 6 months in Colombia passed away like 6 minutes, literally like 6 minutes. Okay, and now I'm there in Peru. I want to go to Machu Picchu, and then I want to go to Bolivia and Chile, then go to India, go to China, Malaysia, China, and come back to USA in 2026. Who would like to associate with me? Now people get frightened. I am telling you, call and speak to Abhinandan. If you have a small amount of $55, I do big business. They are $2,000, $3,000 business. But instead of first joining with $2,000, $3,000 business, there's a real recording I'm doing with the sound of background. Okay, while I'm walking, I'm doing my business talk also. So you know what? There I've done a recording last Sunday. You watch it on my Facebook. All the countries I visited, the images are over there. And you know what? I want you to watch that. There's a church over there. This is a Miraflores Park. There's a list of, oh, they have taken it out. Only last week it was there. My God, I don't see them. I want you to have a look at it. Oh, India's Hampi was there. I've told you the story, you watch that one. Watch the earlier video. Oh, it's not there, it was fully over there. So anyhow, I'm going to stop right now. I'm going to go this side and let me try a new way. Okay. So I think let me pass through this. and contact Abhinandan and speak to Abhinandan. You watched the last week video, it is something very nice. That is on September 14th, I think. It was Sunday. Okay, it's there on Facebook. That full number of countries poster has put over there. India's that put Hampi, where I had visited on February 14th, 2021. The day I received a bonus of $28,000. I'm repeating, through online business, through online digital asset business, I had received $28,000. You want to see the proof? You can come on a Zoom meeting. So, but you can start with a small money of $55, around $55, or 4,811 rupees, or 250,000 Colombian peso, or 191 Peruvian sols, Peru sols, if I'm correct in pronouncing. Okay, so you know what? Wow, see how nicely they have done the street. And so around $55. And you won't lose. I'm repeating, you won't lose if you are ready to learn. And to learn, it will take only 2 hours time. And for 2 hours, if you say you are busy, people will say they'll be broke, they won't have money in their pocket. I'm a little blunt. I'm blunt from like this only from last 32 years when I used to give live seminar also. So you can have to figure out where I have to go, which road. So while I'm talking, I do my recording. I think I already reached one side. So contact me and speak to me, and I'm going to stop right now. And you know what? Connect me on WhatsApp number on this. When you WhatsApp me, always don't say hi. Okay, mention your name, your age, your profession, your city, your email ID, and what is your financial goal you want to earn per month. Do you want to earn $3,000 per month starting with $55? Don't be skeptical without knowing. That's my request. Don't be skeptical and cynical. Be confident to ask questions. It is shame today that people are not confident to speak. So call, ask, speak with Abhinandan, clarify your question. If you are ready to take the initiative with $55. How much? Only $55. And then I will explain more in detail to you. Okay, let me stop it right now. This is Abhinandan from Bangalore, right now in Miraflores in Lima in Peru. Okay, I think accidentally I reached my place without looking at the Google map. So let me wait for another 2 minutes and show you the place. That's a Ganesha temple, or they call it a Hindu temple. I accidentally, see, I did not even look on the Google map. I reached. That is my intuition guiding me to the right road. So my intuition always supports me in creating earning while I'm traveling. Okay, how Abhinandan earned sometime $3,000 or $5,000, or sometime made $35,000 in 15 days time. So I'm like walking like they walk in India. Okay, this is the place. I showed you the temple. I'll go inside. I will. Now this is the Hindu temple. Can you see? Lord Ganesha. Yeah. So